Unifi UXG Gateway. What's in the box and why should you need one? You can go with the typical cloud key. You can self-host. The problems we have with self-host is that you can only self-host the networking, Wi-Fi and networking alone. But if you're using the unified ecosystem, and once you something you will do, then you will have the access controls, Unified Protect for the cameras, maybe the charger version, maybe the unified screen. So you really don't want to mess up with networking. So what we have right now in place is the UDM SE, and we thought it would be great. Yes, it is a great product, but it doesn't provide you deep packet information filtering, DPI, and it doesn't give you that level of firewall security. It's a kind of a mix of solving your problems in one hand with network controlling and management, which makes it easy, very easy. But if you're running an SME or a small business and you want to simplify IT, but security, firewalls, and deep packet filtration is important for you, UXG Pro. UXG Pro is what we decided to go. So what we will do with the SE, you may ask, we take that, bring it to the second office, so we can do the site magic, which so the unit will be still utilized, but for the main broadband, for the servers, for the office, for the IT, where we have critical data, very important data, we want to make sure that the firewall will be take it to the next level. So what we got in the UXG Pro, you get the lovely unit with the chrome finish, we love it. We got the information touchscreen, which is 1.3 inch, which is, you know, nice to have, but not necessary. We have 2 internet ports, which is great when you have your ISP coming in one port and you need redundancy. So we got the Unifi ULT Pro as well, which we will unbox in the next video. The purpose of we have, when you have 2 broadband, dual WAN, as some people call it, if you get it through fiber, let's say you have 2 fiber connections, one from A supplier, one from B supplier. In our case, you know, one is from Vodafone, the other one is from Virgin Media. It's grand, but the problem is that both fiber coming from the same box, so when you have power outages, like we had last year with the storm, both of them is down. So the solution is, you get a solution for high-speed fiber, happy days, but if the fiber fails for some reason, and 5-10 suppliers or providers, ISPs sharing the same connection box or back box as they call, then you have this second layer of redundancy on the broadband as well. So redundancy on power, redundancy on hard drive, redundancy on failover, redundancy on broadband as well. So this will be, I know it's 4G, it will be slower than the fiber, but the main purpose of this one, if the main fiber fails, then we still have connectivity, we still have firewalls, we still have access, we still have remote control, so on and so forth. So it won't be really for transferring high files, but it will provide us redundancy on the broadband side as well, very shortly. So take off this bad boy from the box. So our plan is to get fiber into the 10G and get the 4G, which we'll do, I don't know, 50 meg, 100 meg, and then link them, one to the UXG high aggregation switch and one for the 8-port aggregation switch. So the front we have 2 broadband in, which can be done in a split, like 50-50, or it can be do primary backup, that's what we will do. And this will feed our main aggregation switch, which will control the main office and the second office, and the servers and the cameras and the rest, and this will be only for backup. So should the high aggregation fail, we jump onto the small aggregation, which is the 8-port Unify. On the back, what we can see here is we have our 230 for UK and Ireland, or Europe and Ireland. We have the UPS for the Unify RPS, which we have in place, so we will wire that in as well. And this is for routers. If you have a router, you plug the router in, so this, if the broadband fails, this can restart the router socket. Now you won't utilize that because when you get the box from one of the broadband providers, Virgin, Acom, BT, whatever it's called, they give you a piece of crap. So what we find out with Vodafone is we can program our UDM SE or UDM Pro, and I believe we can do the same thing with UXG. We get the fiber in from the modem, not from the router, not with the Wi-Fi crap box, from the modem. We wire it in and we dial in with the Unify device, bypassing the crap box. First, we get security. Second, we get reliability. Third, we get faster speed. And fourth, most importantly, because we're not using the ISP box anymore, just a router, just a modem, not the router anymore. This will do the routing for us. The ISP won't be able to read what we're doing. They won't be able to monitor how many devices we have and won't be able to network. So we want to lock them out for safety reasons, obviously. So, next video, what we will do is we'll power this bad boy and set it up. What we get in the box. So we get the UXG. When you're buying the UXG Pro, I should say, you get a lovely 10 gig SFP connection, which is nice to have. In the box, what you get the power card, the power cord. This is not lockable like the Pro devices, and it's a shame. You buy it from UK and you get the EU version. Anyway, we get the new one. You get the guide. You don't need that for Unify. Unify is just great. You just plug that in, turn it on, get up the web GUI, and everything just do itself. We get the rack ears, and we get the, I believe it's the usual screws we get from them. Yeah, so if you want to put them on the floor or the desk, you can put these pads on it, which you want to utilize, or you can put them in the rack with the rack ears, and that's what we will do. If you like this video, like it, because there'll be more comments coming in. These videos will go up on YouTube as uncoated, and all we will talk about is the latest and greatest solutions which will make your life easy if you're running IT as a small business, if you're running your own lab, or if you just don't want the hassle with IT, which you can bring. If you just want things to work as the way you intend to work, Unify is the way, and us. We will put up more videos on how we manage IT, networking, phone, access control, security, internal security, physical security, and virtual security, like such as firewalls. So if you like the video, like the channel, come back next week. What we will plan to do is put up more videos on racking, cabling, troubleshooting, issues we come across before, how we solved it, and how we're simplifying our IT and our small business. Have a good day. See you soon.